Let's create together an Instagram auto-reply. Go to Create Affiliate Content in the sidebar. Paste the merchant URL. Create a new magic link or pick up a merchant offer. Create the affiliate link. Once it's created, you can see your Instagram channel here. Click on this icon to start creating your Instagram auto-reply. First, choose which post or reel will trigger the automation. Then choose which comment will trigger the direct message. All comments or comments with a specific keyword, like link or price. Custom the message that will be sent to the user. Write up to 3 messages that will be sent to the user publicly. It's optional, like send or check your DM. As a last step, make sure your auto reply is fine-tuned and activate it. Your auto reply is now live. You can see it on this icon with the little tag live. And if you want to edit your automation, you can click on it and edit your automation.